A very good morning to one and all present here. Now I request Priya ma'am to give away the welcome address of the event. Priya ma'am, over to you ma'am.
Thank you, Kanimuri ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of our Department of Computer Science, I'm happy to welcome all the participants for the fourth day 1 week virtual PDP on innovative teaching and learning practices of LMS. In today's session, we are going to see about discussion-based learning, blog creation, how to develop e-content, and screencastify. The session are handled by Mrs. Kanimuri and Mrs. Priya. Thank you. We are proudly have Mrs. Kanimuri, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science as our guest speaker, who has more than 12 years of professional experience. She completed MCA and pursuing PhD in the field of computer science. She has published a number of manuscripts in various journals and international conferences. I hope definitely the session will be interesting and informative. Once again, I welcome you all. Kanimuri ma'am, the session is yours. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful introduction. A very good morning to all the enthusiastic participants who has joined this day 4 session of 1 week professional development program on innovative teaching and learning practices of LMS. So in today's session, I'm going to discuss about the discussion-based learning techniques, and I'm going to make the session interactive by discussing about two tools which is very effective for the teaching, and also we can able to assess the skill set of the students, and we can make our learning environment in a more interactive and informative manner. So in this perspective, today I'm going to discuss about the two tools, that is quiz analyze tools, and I'm going to give a demonstration on how to create blog for posting our e-contents. So now I'm going to share my screen. Is the screen is visible, participants? Is the screen is visible?
Visible, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Today, I'm going to discuss about discussion-based learning techniques. So in this discussion-based learning techniques, I'm going to discuss about what is the goal and objectives of discussion-based learning techniques. So how we can able to make our classroom discussion in an innovative manner. What are all the rules and conventions we have to follow when we are having a discussion in your classroom. So this will help to make our students to improve their thinking skills, writing skills, and innovative. Students can have a creative idea on the particular concept of the topic. So in this, I'm going to also discuss about what are the pedagogy we can able to use for discussion-based learning techniques. First, I'll start with what is discussion-based learning. So discussion-based learning is a learning style that challenges the students to be more responsible in education.
Ma'am, PPT is not visible, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Sir, PPT is not visible.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Now it's visible, sir?
No, ma'am. Your overall computer screen is visible here.
Okay, sir. Now the screen is visible, sir?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So now I will start with the objectives of discussion-based methods. So when I'm giving it a slideshow, it is screen sharing stops, it seems. Now it's visible, sir? Screen is
Yes,
visible?
ma'am, it's visible.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll start with discussion-based learning techniques. So first I'll start with why we have a discussion in our classroom. So discussion-based learning is nothing but a learning styles that challenges the students to be responsible for their own education. As a teacher, rather than teaching the concept in the classroom, if you give a seminar topic or a concept on discussion, so the students will participate more enthusiastically in the particular topic, and the students can able to learn it more with an interactive manner. So for this, we can have a discussion as a learning styles in our classroom discussion. So by using this discussion-based learning techniques, students are given a task to find a new information on the particular topic so that the students have will have an efficient knowledge on the particular topic. So the students can able to improve their communication skills. They can able to answer to the questions what is discussed on the particular topic. So ultimate goal of this discussion-based learning technique is to improve the thinking skills of the students. So next one is objective of the discussion-based learning techniques. So the discussion-based learning technique is creating a forum, which is an open-end forum for sharing and exchanging of knowledge and ideas. And it is creating a collaborative forum between the teachers and the students can able to improve the perspectives of thinking skills, learning skills, problem solving skills, understanding skills, and students have also be appreciated and they will have a deep knowledge on the particular topic which is given for the discussion. This is the main objectives of discussion-based learning techniques. Next one is, now I'm going to discuss about the 10 innovative teaching strategies, that is how to use discussion as a teaching strategy in our classroom for making our students to to participate in the discussion. First one, identifying the objective of the discussion. So before starting any classroom discussion, first we need to make the students to write the objective of the particular topic. So more than selecting a topic which is a vague topic, we need to understand the students' interest on the particular topic so that we can have the discussion in a more interactive way. First of all, when you are selecting the topic, we have to select the topic that is most liked by the students, and we need to want the students to write the objective of the particular topic. This is the first objective. And the second one is establish clear guidelines and parameters for class discussion. So this will give the guidelines of how many participants, how many times a student can able to contribute in the particular discussion, the maximum time frame for sharing the idea of the particular student. So if we fix this time frames and constraints and parameters properly, so this will help to manage the noise in the classroom. So this is the second. And the third one is take note of students' interest and weave them into the beginning of the discussion. So before starting the discussion, we need to identify the interested topics that are liked by the students. We have to identify the topics which are interesting for the discussion. So before that, we need to get the consent from the students. And the fourth point is providing opportunity for the students to prepare for the discussion. So we need to give time for the students to prepare for the particular discussion. So here the main objectives are improving the reading skills, listening skills, and watching skills of the students. If the students are very familiar about the topic of the discussion, they will participate in a more enthusiastic way. That is the fourth objective of the innovative teaching strategies. And the fifth objective is incorporate, engage student discussion strategies. So this strategies mainly helps our students to have an ability to articulate their thoughts and analyze the points given by the instructors or peers to discuss any information they acquire. So rather than as a teacher, we are teaching many concepts in our classroom in our daily life. So we need to understand whether how much that particular concept or knowledge is shared with the students. For if we have a clear discussion, then only we can able to articulate what is the observation. We can able to know what is the observation of the students on the particular topic. For creating this collaboration, so we need to have this fifth strategy. So this will help to engage the students in a more interactive way, and this will help to improve their listening skills, and we can able to make our students to improve their communication skills and learning skills. And the sixth objective is affirm, summarize, and redirect as needed. When the discussion, when you are having a discussion, some students may be going beyond the topic or out of the topic. So if the discussion is going out of the topic, so we need to make our students to be participated. So we can give some time for them to listen to the particular ideas and thoughts what the students are willing to convey. So to some extent, we can able to give our students to think in the out of the box way. And if it is going more irrelevant, then we can able to stop the discussion and we can able to have a discussion in our forum. So next one is affirm the idea, maintain the segue, and redirect the conversation back to the main objective. This is the sixth strategy. And the seventh one is offer alternative times for off-topic discussion. Sometimes the students may think out of the box. Okay, so for the particular students, we should not discourage the students. We should motivate and we should give some other alternate time to discuss on the particular topics, what they are interested. So for this, we have to give some alternate timings for the discussion. And the eighth strategy is call upon the quieter students to share. So here we need to make all the students to participate in an interactive way. So we have to identify all the students, whether they are participating in the discussion, identifying the quieter students, and we have to bring out his ideas in the discussion. That is the eighth objective. And the ninth one is think, pair, strategy. The think, pair strategy is one of the pedagogy method which is very relevant to this discussion-based learning techniques. So in this, we can use think, pair, share. This think, pair, share is a popular learning strategy. So which is used to break up, which is we can able to categorize into three parts. First one is the student think about the discussion question, and the students can be divided as pairs or groups. So if the students are joined as a groups, so they can have rather than discussing with the teacher, the students are very feel free to discuss with their friends and peers. For this, we can have this think pair strategy to bring out the ideas of the students. And the third one is students share their ideas with the partners or group in an innovative way. For this, we can able to use this think pair strategy in our discussion-based learning techniques. And the 10th innovative strategy is a divide and conquer strategy. So this is one of the important strategy which we can able to follow in the discussion-based learning techniques. Here, the students are paired as extroverts and introverts. Extroverts are students who are having an efficient knowledge on the particular topic, who are all called as experts on the topic, and introverts are students, we can call them as slow learners, so who is having who are all quieter students, who are all not having interest in participating in the discussion. We can able to pair this type of students as an extroverts with introverts, so that we can able to engage the less avid speakers to gradually leave their comfort zone and open up, so that the teacher can provide a speaking and note-taking guidelines for this group to keep this discussion focused. So these are all the main 10 innovative strategies that we can able to use it in our discussion-based learning techniques. So by using these 10 innovative learning techniques, so we'll be benefited So these are the benefits of discussion-based learning techniques. First one, it emphasizes on learning instead of teaching. And second one is participation by everyone in the class. And the third one is development of democratic way of thinking skills. And fourth one is training in reflective thinking skills. And fifth one is training in self-expression. And plus, next one is spirit of tolerance is inculcated. And next one is learning is made interesting. So these are all the benefits of discussion-based learning techniques. So with this, the outline of the discussion-based learning technique is over. So the theory part is over. Now I'm going to start with the tools, that is innovative tools which you can able to use it for our teaching learning process. So for the first tool which I'm going to discuss with this is Quiz Allies tools, which is a very prominent online free tool which we can able to use it for assessing the skill set, and we can able to share the key contents using these tools. Using these tools. And the next one I'll discuss about how to create blog for posting our key contents. So now I'm going to is the screen is visible, participants? The screen is visible. Can you able to see this tool?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So this is my forum because already I have created a login with the Quiz Allies. So now I'll just tell you how we can able to select the tool by browsing onto Google. So we can able to use Quiz Allies, QUIZALIZT. So this is a tool name. So here there are various options are there. So here we can have a student login, teacher login. So even if we can able to sign up with the Google Classroom. So already we have as a teachers, if we having so many Google Classroom, we can also even sign up with the Google Classroom, and we can able to use the Quiz Allies player also. So now I have selected as a teacher, I have selected the teachers login. So if you want to select the teachers login, select the teachers login option. Since I have selected already, so my login is open. So if you are selecting the teachers login option, we can able to log in on by using either our official ID or our personal ID. We can able to log in using our Google Gmail IDs. So this is my forum of Quiz Allies tool. Here we need to mainly concentrate on the three tabs which is provided in the left corner. So here we have resources, my library, and create options. So first I'll tell you what is the create option. So when you click on the create option, so this is a screen of create option. So here we have two facilities here. First one is creating assessment, and next one is creating learning resources. So when we can able to use the first option, that is create new quiz option. So using this option, we can able to create our new quizzes. And the next option, I'll show you the demonstration how to create a quiz. It's taking some time for loading. So this is a screen for creating our questions. So here we can able to post the questions. Even if you have some logo for this particular quiz, we can able to post the images also. Suppose if you want to select any images, you can able to post the images. Likewise, we can able to post the question images, and if you want to give some title for the quiz, we can able to give the title. in this quiz title option. So I'm making it as Java quiz. So now I have given the title for this quiz. So here we have an add new question option. So in this add new question option, we can able to add the questions. So when you are adding the questions, here we have various options. First one is multiple choice questions, and the second one is type A answer option, and the third one is scrambled letters, and the fourth one is true or false questions, and the fifth one is categorize, and the sixth one is linking, and the next one is ordering. So here we can also have jumbled words and weighted options. So these are all the various options of questions that we can able to use it for creating the quiz. First, I'll show the demonstration with the multiple choice questions. So if you want to choose this multiple choice option, so here we have to post the question, and here we have to. So I have a sample question set here. I'll show you how to post the questions. For example, first of I have given the question like a program must have a main function. Suppose I want to make this question as a true or false question. I have to select the option true or false, and we have to select the correct option. A function must have a main function. So the option is true. So we have to frame the questions like this if it is a true or false questions. So, and here we have, we can able to have the time frames for the particular question. We can able to fix it as 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So likewise, we can able to fix the time for each and every question. And also we can able to use read aloud option. Okay. So if you select this read aloud option, then the questions will be read when the students is selecting the quiz. So we can able to include audio option for also. We can able to use this option for including the audio for the particular questions. And apart from this, if you want to give any additional explanation about the particular question, that we can able to include in this answer explanation. And if you want to include any subtopics, that can be incorporated in this particular column. Is it clear, participants? Is there is any doubt in this part, participants? If there is any doubt in this part? So after that, if you want to add on to the next question, we can able to select the next option, and we can able to add our next questions. So likewise, we can able to create this quiz. Now I'll show you the sample of my quiz, which I have already created. So likewise in the create option, so this is how we can able to create our assessment and quiz option. So next one is creating learning resources. In creating learning resources, here we have 3 options. First one is uploading PDF. So we can able to use this uploading PDF options for uploading our notes. We can able to upload our notes as PDF. For this, we can able to use this option. Next, I have an option called the upload YouTube video. Suppose if you feel that any YouTube are very relevant to the particular topic, we can able to select the link of the YouTube, and we can able to paste it here. So automatically we can able to share that particular video for the students. Here we can able to paste the link of the particular YouTube in this option. So that is the use of this our second option. And the third one is upload web link. So even if we can able to post some web pages or for learning resources relevant to our particular topic that we are discussing in the concept, that we are discussing in the classroom. So nowadays, so many web pages are available for our Java or C++ when we take. So we can able to paste the web link here. Suppose if you are referring any topic like servlet introduction, if you take the topic means we can able to in the servlet concept, if you want to specify any URL of the particular concept, we can able to post that web link here in this option. So these are all the three options we can able to use it for posting our e-contents. So the same thing I have did in my library. I'll show you the simple demonstration of it. So this is the options I have created in my library. When you select this second tab, that is my library, you can able to view all the questions that is the quiz, e-content, video, lectures, whatever created by you, we can able to post everything in the my library option. So in this my library options, first I have created the quiz. I'll show you the sample quiz which I have created. This is the sample quiz. So I have created the basic C++ questions. So here I have posted 10 questions. So all these 10 questions are based on the MCQ type as well as true or false type. So if you want to preview these questions after posting the questions, if you want to, before sharing the questions to the particular student, you can able to preview this quiz. So just I'll give the preview of my questions which I have created. So this is the basics of C++ quiz. So this is how the quiz window will appear. So we can able to start the quiz. The question will be posted like this. So an identifier must start with a letter or an underscore. So students can able to select the option. If the students are selecting the particular question, it will be displayed like this. Then we can able to move on to the next question. Which of the following approach is used by C++? In the bottom of approach option. So again, we can able to move on to the next question. So I'm giving this tool. Okay. So like this, it will be viewed by the students. Now I am giving the next option. So which of the following is a not constructor? The option is next, which of the following term is used for a function definition inside a class? It's a member function. So I'm selecting. So and we can all the data types have same amount of storage. Answer is false. There are only two possible values for Boolean data type. So here for each and every question, so we can also have like questions like fill in the blanks. Dash is a set of similar data types. So I can give it as we can able to have a type. Can able to type the answers. Array is a set of similar data types. Likewise, we can also have the typed option, and this is the option which we can able to use it for ordering type of question. If you want to frame any ordering type of questions, there is an option available. But here I have posted it wrongly, this question. So anyway, we can also frame the question as matching questions. Also we can frame. We can able to order the questions. I'll show you the options of how you can able to order the questions. And likewise, this will be displayed like this in the students when they are attending the quiz. Now I'll show you the one question, how to we can frame ordering of questions like matching. I have posted sample one questions I have posted here. So this is how we can able to frame our ordering of questions. So here I can able to, if you want to have the questions like a life cycle of threads in Java. Likewise, if you have any matching questions, you can able to select that type of questions also by using this visualize tool. First one, if I want to select one, new, I want to match it with one. Next one, active, I want to match it with two. Next one, to match it with 3. Next one, time weighted, I want 4. So when you are matching, the options are correct, it will be viewed like this by the students. So it will be more interesting if we are posting this type of questions to the students will be more interested. So this is how we can able to frame the quizzes by using this quiz allies tool. And we can here, there are various options are provided. After framing the quiz, we can able to share the link to the students. Either it can be shared as a link or we can able to post it to the Facebook. If the link is created, we can able to copy the link and we can able to post it in the student chat box, or else here we can able to create groups, and also we can able to post the question as assignment, as also we can able to post it as a examination. So these are all the various options that we can able to use for posting our quiz. And also there are options which is available for posting it as a printed PDF options. So here we have various options. We can able to select it for posting it as PDF. So if you select any options, so the QR code of the particular question will be generated. We can able to scan it, and we can able to, after scanning the particular cover sheet, so then the PDF of the particular question will be generated and it can be distributed to the students. So this is a various option which is available in the quiz allies tool, and I'll show you. So these are all the groups which I have already created in my forum. So here I have third BSc C, third BSc A. We can have an option called in this option, by using this option, member option or add member option, we can able to add all the members who are all already available, added in the Google Classroom. If you want to add all the students to the particular forum, we have an option here. So we can able to create add, and here we have an option called add new classes. By selecting this add new classes option, we can able to add our students to the forum. Here we can able to create new classes, or else we can able to sync it with Google Classroom. If you have already created a forum groups with the students, we can able to sync this Google Classroom also with this quiz allies tool. And this is the options mainly we have in this my library. So next I want to tell one thing. This is very, very informative for the school teachers. So nowadays the school teachers task is very difficult. So in the pandemic situation, so we need to assess our students online. For this, we can able to make our students to actively participate in the classroom concept. Means for this, we can able to give so many activities and assessments by using this tool. Here, the main thing is, it is nowadays, it is used in the many foreign countries. Here we have an option called curriculum option. So in the curriculum options, so many curriculums are posted here. So it is posted based on the foreign standard. So we can select any curriculum option. And after selecting the curriculum option, we can able to select the subjects that is relevant to the curriculum. So suppose I am selecting the curriculum as a subject as science, then I am selecting the grade also. Here we have a grade option. So when you select, I am selecting the grade as 6th grade. So normally here using this resources options, you can able to use the resources which is and activities which is all already available. For example, I'll show you one option, that is the English National Curriculum. So in this, I have selected the option as math. When I am selecting the math, we can able to view the resources. This is the sample quiz questions which is already created by some other people, and we can able to use this quiz questions for our students. We can able to make use of these options. Suppose if you want to share to our particular students group, we have an options called share options. We can have a students review. We can have a start a class. We can make this as a game option, and we can also give this as a homework. And also, if you want to add additional questions to the existing quiz, we can able to use the edit a copy option. And also, we can able to, if you feel some quizzes are very relevant to our particular concept, means we can also save it for our future reference to our library. So we have a save to my library option. By this, we can able to save the quiz to our particular my library option. So this is the resources which is readily available for school students. The school students, the school teachers make use of these resources for their students. Likewise, so based on all the subjects, these are the following subjects which is available in this forum: Maths, Science, English languages, Social Studies, World Languages, and Technology and Computer Science. So in this topics, readily available resources are also available. We can able to make use of these resources for our students. So these are all the various options which is available in this quiz analyze tool. Dear participants, if you have any queries on this, participants, if there is any questions, shall I move on to the next tool? Participants, if there is any questions on this topic? Kindly post your questions in the chat box. And one more thing, using this quiz tool, we can also, I'll show you how to create, when you're using this quiz option, we can also upload the Excel sheet of the questions which is already prepared. We can also upload the Excel sheet as a quiz. Options are available for this. Here you can see the two options: import from Quizlet. If you select this option, you can able to import the quizzes which is already readily available as a resources in this platform. And we can have another one option called import from spreadsheet. If we select this option, we can able to post our question which is already readily available as an Excel. So if I'm selecting this option, it have an upload spreadsheet. So in this upload spreadsheet option, you can able to use the Excel format of the quiz questions which you have already prepared can be uploaded here. So here it supports XLSX and .csv formats for uploading web questions as quiz in this forum. So these are all the main uses of this quiz analyze tool. Next, I'm going to discuss about how to create a blog for posting out the e-contents. I think there is no questions from the participants. Participants, is there is any questions regarding this tool? Shall I move on to the next tool? Next topic. Is it clear? Next one, I'm going to discuss about how to create blog for posting the e-contents. Dear participant, is it, I'm audible? I'm audible?
Ma'am.
Thank you. See, post, dear participant, kindly post your suggestions. So regarding this, if you have any queries, kindly post your suggestions in the post chat box. Please make it interactive. So next, I'm going to discuss about how to create a blog for posting the e-contents. So already I have created my blog. So here we can able to use the blogger option for creating the e-contents. So I have used this a blogger option. So this is a blogger. Blogger is a readily available free tool which we can able to use it for posting our e-contents. So this is the main menu of the blogger. So here when you right click on it, so here I have already created my blog. So my blog name is Kanimari Forum. So likewise, if you want to create your new blog, so you can able to select this option. So when you are giving this option, it will ask the title of the blog. So now I'm creating Sunny FTP. I'm giving it as Sunny FTP. For the blog name I'm giving. So next it will ask for an URL for the particular blog. You can have anything. Sometimes it will be here we can able to use this blog address is available. So if I learn to current, I'm giving and learn to current technology instead of it, I'm making it as learn to current. So whatever the display name we are posting here, so we can able to select. Sometimes when you are selecting the topic, so this topic is already available. Likewise, it will be notified. So when you take like this, it will be so my blog name is now changed as Kanimali FTP. So likewise, you can able to have multiple blog IDs for our blog. So already this is how we can able to create a blog. So now I'm going to in my blog. So if you want to set the themes, okay, we can able to change the themes of the blog. So here in the main menu, we have an option called post, stats. We have comments options, stats options, like how you'll be using in the Facebook and all. What is the who are all the followers of the blogs? How many posts are there available? So for the each and every post, we can able to view the comments here. So that is the use of this post options. So next option we have here, that is a stats option. So in the stats options, we can able to see for a particular post, how many number of comments or likes are posted, that we can able to use it can able to view this in the stats option. Next, for separate commands alone, we have an option here. And here, if you have any very wonderful videos prepared by the particular resource person, we can able to earn money out of it. For this, here they have provided an option called creating a new AdSense accounts. We can able to create AdSense accounts. So where we can able to post our video lectures to our public. So out of which, if the video is viewed by n number of participants, we can able to earn money out of this ads. For this, we can able to use this ad options. Next, we have an pages options. So here we can able to refer some web pages that is already created. We can able to post this in this pages option. So main thing I want to show here is the theme options. So there are already available, readily available themes are available. We can, if you want to design your blog with this theme, you can able to select any one of the theme. So now, for example, I have selected this theme. So if you want to, after selecting the particular theme here, so I have selected this theme. So if you want to make this theme, if you say give this apply option, automatically the theme will be applied to your blog. Suppose if you want to make it customized, we can able to customize it by using the option. Here we have change image options. So in this, there are readily available themes are available. So out of these themes, we can able to select any one of the themes for our blog. For example, I'm selecting this theme. Then give the done option. So automatically my forum background is changed like this. So now give change image. Suppose if you want to select some other things, I can select. Okay. So after this, we can able to see the preview of it. So after the theme is changed, now you can able to have the two options here. So if you want to make clear unsaved changes, you can select, or else if you want to save this as your background, we can able to select the save option. This is how we can able to set the themes for our blogs. Next important perspective that I want to discuss is post. When you select the post option, so we can able to post our e-contents here by using this post option. So here I'll show you my blog, what all the contents which I have posted in my blog. So this is my blog. So already I have posted some questions to my students. So we can able to post the questions as a particular specific topic we want to post. We can able to post the particular topic. And suppose if you want to post the entire notes as one post, we can also create like this. So here I have created like this. Here I have an option. So all the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, 4, 5, along with the question, everything I have posted in this advanced Java programming notes option. So here we have a link. So after this, if you want to share it with our students, we can able to get the link of the notes and we can able to post it to the students chat box. So before that, here we have an option called the profile option. So when you click on this profile option, so here we can able to visit our profile. So here so many personal details about our forum are asked here. So here we have an edit option. So go to the edit option. Select the edit, and this edit option, we can able to view all the contents that is needed for our profile. So here I have selected the option share my profile, so sites I follow. So likewise, so many options are there. Here the email ID, whatever you have selected by default, it will be automatically taken into your account. Suppose if you want to upload any photographs of our blog, we can able to upload the photographs here by using this. Here we can able to select some other personal information about ourselves are given here. So we can able to enter it and we can able to save the profile. So this is a general introduction about creating the profile of our blog. So now, if you want to post any any notes for our students, we have to select the new post option. So when you are selecting the new post option, here we can able to post the notes as a link, or if we can able to post the images, or else we can able to post the videos. So here, for example, if I want to post my notes, means I have to search on to my Drive link. I'll just show you one example of how to post the links from our Drive. I have a folder called Advanced Java. So in the Advanced Java, suppose I want to post the Unit 2 e-contents for my students, means how we can post. I'll show you the demonstration. After selecting the particular notes, we can able to share to our students by as a link. So here, after if you want to share it as a particular folder, we can able to share. Suppose if I want to post only this content for my students, means I can able to get the link of it using the get link option. So here we have a link option. Select on the link option, just copy the link, and we have to paste it in the post option. It's taking time for. So right click on the particular notes or e-content which want to share it to the students. So here we have an option called the get link option. So we can able to copy the link, and this link can be posted as here. Okay. We can able to paste the link here, and we can able to give the display text here. Suppose I want to give it as link to circular. I can able to select open this link in this window and give the apply option. Okay. So likewise, the link will be created, that is unit 2 servlet, and we can also give title for this notes, advanced Java. And we can able to have an option preview post or save post. We can also save our post, and we can able to publish it to our blog. So when I'm giving publish option, so it will be shared as a link. We can able to share the link to our students. This is how we can able to create post. So this is how my post is created. Now we can able to see that we can able to apply the labels also. So when you are creating the post, we can not only e-content, we can also upload the videos also. We can able to upload here, and we can also upload if you want to upload any photographs. So here we have an option called upload from the computer or from there. If you select this photos option, so it will be added to your Google account. Google Photos will be loaded here, and also we can able to upload our photo by using this URL. So there are so many options for uploading the photos, and there are options for uploading the videos also. We can able to upload if any self-made videos are all there. And nowadays, video lectures are giving. We can able to upload our video lectures, means we can able to use this upload from computer option. Or else, if you want to use post any YouTube video, we can able to select this YouTube option. And whatever the relevant topics which is available, we can able to have an search over here. Suppose I'm doing it as circlet Based on the servlet, so many videos will be referred here. We can able to select the particular video and we can able to publish to our students. Likewise, we can able to use these three options for posting the messages to our students. This is the main content of our today's section. Dear participants, is there any questions regarding the blog creation? Participants, if there is any questions regarding the blog creation, kindly post the questions in the chat box. Dear participant, is there is any question?
No, ma'am.
Now I will hand over my session to Priya ma'am. Priya ma'am, session is yours.
Thank you, Kanimari ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. So today's session, we are going to see about open education resources, that is OER. And then screencastify. Okay, I will share the screen. The screen is visible.
Yeah, visible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So I told about two topics, that is open educational resource, that is OER, and then screencastify. Okay, so first we are going to see about OER. So OER is nothing but open education resources. It's mainly used for to preparing e-content material. So for our profession, we have to develop e-content for teaching. So now we are going to see how to develop e-content for a particular topic. Okay. So first step, you have to collect and prepare the e-content. So actually what we will do for first, we will prepare our own content. So next we will search in online. Okay. So in online, so much of materials are available using Google search engine. We can collect the content for our own e-content material. Okay. So sometimes it leads to copyright issues also. So whenever we are collecting the content, we have to ensure that the material is OER material or not. So OER material is nothing but open education resources. So that is, it is used for education purpose. So it is a freely available content in online. So in Google also we are available these options. So then we can use it for education purpose. So another one is Creative Common License. Second one is Creative Common License. So this is nothing but is a public copyright license. So we can use the content and we can share the content, we can edit the content. Okay. So Creative Commons license is one of the several public copyright license, so that enable the freely distribution copyrighted works. So SEC license is used whenever the author wants to give other people the rights to use, share, and then edit. Okay. So now we are going to see about how to use this. So OER. First go to Google search engine. So I'm giving a network topology. Can you able to see the screen? So go to Google and then I'm giving the particular topic. So for this particular topic, I'm going to collect the e-content. So first type your topic, that is network topology. I'm giving network topology. So everybody can able to visible the screen. It's visible, sir. Okay, after typing the topic, so here we are having a setting option, that is Google setting options. I'm moving this. So in this, so choose the advanced search option. Move to advanced search option. I'm clicking this advanced search option. So advanced search option. So whatever I gave the topic, so it's here. So suppose you want to narrow down the topic also, you can give a specific topic here. So in this, there is an option, there is usage rights. So you can see this usage right option. So the default option is not filtered by license. Can you able to see this screen? Can you visible the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first you have to go to Google. So I'm giving the topic as network topology. So after giving the topic, I'm going to settings option. So in settings option, advanced search. So in this advanced search, I have to give the, already I gave the topic. Suppose you want to narrow down, means you can give a specific topic here. So next one is usage rights option is here. So in this default option is not filtered by license. So click this option. So see here we are having many options. There is free to use or share. So this option is nothing but the e-content you are collecting now, so that you can use it and then you can share to the students or some other. And next option is freely to use or share, even commercial purpose. So we can also use for education purpose and also for commercial purpose. And these are only using and sharing options. Okay. And next one is modifying option, free to use, share or modify. So it's for education purpose. And another one is free to use, share or modify for even commercially purpose. Okay. So for a commercial purpose, I'm choosing this option and then I'm clicking this advanced search. So see here, so these e-content, these contents are freely available content. So you can use it for your own content or making e-material. Otherwise, you can also share or you can also modify these materials. Okay. So it has no copyright issues also. We can use it for our e-content. So this is nothing but text content. So I can use the text content. Suppose I want to use some images. I want to use some images. That is a common licensed images means. So we have to choose here as images. See here, I'm clicking images. So in that you are having a tools option. So you can see the right hand side, you can see the tools option. You have to click this tools option. So see here, so there is an option called that is usage rights, and I'm clicking here. So I already told about this Creative Commons license, no? So it's a freely available e-content material. So I'm clicking this Creative Commons licenses. So these are the freely available images. You can use it or you can edit or you can share. So there is no copyright issues. So for your e-content, you can use or you can add this types of images. Okay. I think got it. So this is nothing but images. And next one, videos. We can also use videos for our e-content. Okay. So for that, I am moving to YouTube. So in this, I have to give a specific topic. Network topology. So after clicking the topic, so there is an option for this filter. So you can see a filter option. I'm clicking this filter option. So see here, see in features. So we are having that Creative Commons license. So this Creative Commons license is nothing but so you can use these videos for sharing purpose or editing or modifying. So I'm clicking this Creative Commons options. Okay. So see now these videos we can use it for our e-content. So it's a freely available videos. We can use it for our e-content purpose. So this is nothing but how to use and videos for our e-content material. So then there may be no copyright issues. So we can use it and we can edit or we can modify or we can also share our contents. So now we already seen that how to use text material and then image material and then videos in with Creative Commons licenses. Okay. So everybody got this? You have any doubt in this? I think everybody clear. So we can also use for both education and also for commercial purpose. So the author can give the rights for everything. That is use, share and modify. So whatever option we are choosing in the advanced searching option, in the settings we are having advanced searching options. So you have to choose the particular options. So for whatever we are using, for what purpose we are using, we can choose that and then we can use it. So like this, we can collect these type of content and then we can also make it for our e-content. So next we move on to the another tool, that is Screencastify. So what does mean Screencastify? So Screencastify is used for content preparation only. So it's mainly used for e-content preparation. So using Screencastify recorder, so it's a recorder, we can easily create our own e-content and e-videos material. So these materials can be shared with any LMS. Okay, so we can also use it for Google Classroom and we can also use it for any lecturing methods. Okay. So go to Google search engine. So here I am going to give screencastify.com. You have to give screencastify.com. .com. So you can see the link. There is www.screencastify.com. So I'm clicking this first link. So this is the Screencastify recorder. So first I want to download this software. So it's a easy software and also it will download 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. So I have to give add to Chrome option. So there is a option that is add to Chrome. So whenever I click this option, so it will be added to the Chrome extension. Okay. So already I added this to the Chrome. So now you can visible the Screencastify option in the Chrome window. Okay. So see here in Chrome extension. So I'm giving the mouse here. So you can see this option that is Screencastify is already added to the Chrome extension. So there is a red arrow mark. So this is the Screencastify icon. So I already added this to the Chrome browser. So now I'm clicking this option. So the Screencastify window will open. You can see so there are many options. That is, it will record the screen. So whatever you are presenting, you are using your PPT or something. So that will be recorded. So you can also use microphone. So whenever you are giving some lecturing, so you can use this microphone options. And then you want to switch on your video also, you can enable the webcam option. Okay. So now I am going to record my session. So whatever I am going to present. So I'm clicking record option. So see here entire screen or window. I'm giving entire screen option. So there is option called share. So click this share option. So the entire screen will record. So it will record all the entire screen. So I'm going to open a PPT. So whatever I'm going to present. Okay. So state diagram. So I'm going to give lecture about state diagram. What does mean? Event, what is in state transition, state chart diagram. So after that, it is recording. So see here, there is an option called screen video record is sharing your screen. So it is recording our screen. Next, I'm giving stop sharing option. So it is recording. I'm giving stop sharing option. Once I stop the recording, automatically it will be played. So it also saving to the Google Drive. So whatever you record or no, so that will be saved in your Google Drive. So see here. So whatever I presented, so the PPT is also recorded. So when you want to edit or trim, so you can trim the videos. So see here, there is an option. So we can also trim my video by using this scissor. So we can trim this. So after trimming the video, so I want to play. Again, I'm playing. So only the last content is trimmed and then it will be again playing. So this recording session will be shared to your Google Classroom. So see here, we are having many options shared to Google Classroom. So we can also send to our mail. So first you copy the share link. So first I am copying that link and then I'm going to Google Classroom and then you can share to the Google Classroom. So this is the e-content material, how to prepare an e-content material by using Screencastify. So simple recorder. So it's a free version also. Screencastify is a free version, but it will takes only 10 minutes recording. Suppose you go for a paid version, means you can have it for 1 hour or 2 hours. In paid version, we are having many features also. So like drawing tools, we have many options. So this is a free version. So only we can record the content and then we can share to our Google Classroom. So anybody having any doubts in Screencastify?
Participant, kindly post the questions in the chat box. If you have any queries regarding the presentation, kindly post your suggestion in the chat box.
Any queries you can post in the chat box. Stop hanging, stop sharing. I hope you are cleared to prepare the e-content. So how to collect the e-content from the Google with OER materials, that is open education resource material. So we are also have some OER site also. So apart from this, we can also take your e-content from NDLI, that is National Digital Library of India. And we can also take your e-content from Swayam or ePachala or from oer.com and .org site. So you can also take these resources from these sites. So we can collect text content and also images and also videos by using the common licenses, Creative Commons license, the CC license. I hope it will be helpful for you. So screencasting is also a simple and easy recorder for your presentation or lecturing method. So you can use in any LMS. Thank you, participant. Thank you for your kind support. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First, I would like to extend my special thanks to SRMIST for giving an opportunity to organize this one-week professional development program on learning practices of LMS. I extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our Director, Dean, VP Academic, and VP Admin for providing encouragement and support. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our HOD, Dr. S. Umarani, for guiding us in the right way to make this one-week FDP as a memorable one, as a successful one. I thank my special thanks to you, ma'am. I also congratulate all the enthusiastic participants of our one-week FDP. I heartily congratulate all the participants for their active participation in this professional development program. As no program can have been successful with just a single person's effort, I extend my special thanks to my colleagues who are all the resource person of this one-week FDP program. And all the I render my heartfelt thanks to my colleagues and thank you all for making this event a memorable one. Thank you all. Dear participants, the feedback link will be posted in the chat box. So before that, I want all the participants to turn on the video for the photo session. Kindly turn on your video for the photo session. Thank you all. The link will be posted in the chat box. If there is any query regarding this today's session, kindly post the suggestion in the chat box. So I welcome all the participants for the day 5 of the session to join the day 5 session, which is handled by Dr. Susan ma'am and Dr. Belina ma'am. Kindly join the session at tomorrow 10 o'clock. The feedback link has been posted in the chat box. Kindly fill the feedback. The participants, after filling the feedback, you can leave the session. Again, we'll all meet at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you all.